Kamusta po kayo? Sana po okay kayong lahat dyan. So para sa video na to, gagawa ko ng no-bake cheesecake, which is very easy and simple to make. Well, medyo matrabaho siya pero worth it naman. So before we begin, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is Cowell_Chan, and on my Facebook page, which is Cowell_Travels. Okay? Tara, gawin na natin siya. So yung list of ingredients natin would be your graham crackers, which is crushed already. That's 200 grams there. Melted butter, 2 tablespoons. Philadelphia original na dalawa, that would be 360 grams. Extra thick na double cream. Or kung wala kayong extra thick, you can always use some double cream. All room temperature ito, guys. And then the last ingredient would be the icing sugar or powdered sugar. Okay, so let's begin. So ihalo lang natin yung melted butter sa graham crackers. Then haluin natin siya into a parang wet sand consistency siya. Ito yung magiging crust ng ating cheesecake mamaya. So make sure na nakahalo siya ng mabuti. Ayan, I think that's done. And then ilalagay natin yung ating crust sa isang pan. Make sure na yung pan nyo is either yung collapsible or yung ganito, yung natatanggal yung ilalim niya. And na-oil na din, or nalagyan nyo na ng grease or butter yung buong pan para hindi dumikit yung yung ating cheesecake at madali siyang tanggalin. Ayan. Lagyan na natin yung ating crust. Scrape everything. Ayan, I think that's enough. Then, i-spread out lang natin siya. And make sure na na-cover yung gilid. Tapos i-press nyo na lang ng kutsara. Iikot. Okay, that's it. And then I'll just put this sa fridge ng mga an hour or two habang nagpe-prepare ako nung ating filling. Okay? See you in a bit. Next would be our double cream. I-blend lang natin siya hanggang maging soft peaks siya. Okay, it's done. Next, we would cream our cream cheese until it's soft. And then add our icing sugar as well. Half a cup of icing sugar. Oh, too much powder now. Sure we scrape at the sides as well. Ooh. We are done. Now we're gonna mix our cream cheese with our double cream, then fold them together. Make Make sure we scrape everything. Right, I think I got most of it out. Then now we'll just have to fold this together. Make sure they're all incorporated. Right, and that's it. And then we're gonna put this on our crust next. Okay, so ito na yung crust natin. Galing siya sa fridge for an hour. And make sure na linisan niyo yung gilid nung tin. Nung pagkalagay niyo ng crust. Para paglagay niyo nung filling natin or nung cheesecake, walang crust doon sa gilid niya. Pag slice natin para malinis siyang tignan. Okay, let's add no cream cheese. Ayan. Tapos flat lang natin siya. Make sure na even siya sa gilid. It takes a lot of time and effort para gumawa ng cheesecake, pero I mean, worth it naman siya gawin, I think, compared sa binili mo lang siya. So yun. Tsaka lalo na this, diba? This pandemic, uso yung mga nagbebenta-benta online. Ayan. So, very easy gawin if you're planning to, make one. Or pag may mga family event, ganyan. Or mga event na party, then you can make it very easily, very quickly. I-tap lang natin siya. Parang wala air bubbles sa baba. And mag-settle yung ating cheesecake doon sa crust din niya, sa gilid niya. Ayan. And then this will have to stay sa fridge for around 3 to 4 hours. And then it will be ready after that. Ayan, natapos na din ang ating cheesecake. What do you guys think? Diba, sobrang dali niyang gawin. Matrabaho lang, pero madaling gawin. Yung ingredients niya, madali lang ding hanapin. So, kayang-kaya yung gawin dyan sa bahay niyo. What else? If you have any other ingredients na gusto nyong i-add doon sa cheesecake to make it better, please comment on the section down below. If you have any other comments or suggestions to improve the recipe, put it on the comment section down below again. Ayan. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Ayan. Para naman matulungan niyo ako. And if you like this video, yun nga, I also have other cooking videos na I will put the link here or here, I think. So check them out if you haven't watched them yet. And once again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is Cowell_Chan, and on my Facebook page, which is Cowell_Travels. Alright, see you guys on my next video. Bye!